Mental health. Let's talk about it. You know, walking is the best remedy for calming your nerves, quieting your anxiety. Yes, it's raining, but I'm here. Yes, I'm walking over the hill, and this hill is the longest hill that I've ever climbed. All right, so we're going to talk about mental health, and I'm going to associate it with this hill. See how long it is? You don't even see anything yet. It's about 3 hills in one combined. And that's how life is going to be. You're going to encounter some hills. Some of them are going to be longer, some not so steep, some a bit high and look intimidating. I've climbed this hill before, but it's been years. Let me stop before I go over this hill, because it's almost never ending. I brought my umbrella with me because I saw the overcast. But anyways, that's how life is going to be. Yes, you're going to reach to a crossroad where you have to stop and catch your breath. Yes, that's how I would compare the hill and our mental health. Sometimes we need help, such as a vehicle passing by and taking me the rest of the way. Sometimes we need to talk ourselves into it. Last night I almost talked myself out of it because I know how challenging this hill is. But what about talking yourself into something that, suppose there was someone at the top of the hill with $1 million US? How would I know if I didn't climb that hill? And mental health is real, guys. It affects all of us, even the young, but they don't know how to explain it. What's happening in their minds. It's like a battlefield, your mind. If you don't control it, you'll be the next person on the street searching in a rubbish bin for food. You have to keep your head in the game. You have to talk yourself into saying that I can get through this. I'm going to climb that hill this morning. I can get through it. And you talk yourself into it by saying, it's going to calm my nerves. It's going to take care of my anxiety. Maybe subconsciously, I'm anxious and don't even realize it. Climbing that hill is going to help me with my health, improve my health. It's going to increase my metabolism. It's going to strengthen my lungs, my organs, my heart muscles, my blood vessels. Yeah, talk yourself into it. I'm making an analogy here, guys. It's not about the hill. It's about you and your life challenges, because we all are going to have it. Think about, let me continue walking slowly. Pace. Yes, and you have to pace yourself. Don't look at the person, and I'm going to come back to that story with a single mother with 5 kids. I don't know how they do it. Oh, Father God. I lost my train of thought, but let's stick with the single mother. Can you imagine how a single mother worries about feeding her 5 children with no father around? That can affect her mental health big time. And my heart goes out to my mom, and I'm going to be frank with you. And it's not that I'm letting you into my life, but yeah. My father was an alcoholic. I'm going to touch on that subject on this channel, because alcoholic is damaging also to your mental health and to the people around you. So, of course, he went to the bar first on Friday evenings when he got his pay. Sometimes he would come home with some, sometimes not. So my mother was like a single mother. She was married, but married to an alcoholic. Today, I don't know how she did it, but she did. Sometimes when I looked at her, the bottom of her shoes, it was almost falling off. She preferred to cook and give us, and maybe eat a piece of bread and a cup of tea and go to her bed. There were many times I heard her in there crying silently. Now that I'm an adult, I understand. Guys, protect your mental health. Protect it from people, negative people, because you'll have people come around you that will suck your energy. like how that hill is going to suck mine. So let me end it here because I don't want to be long, but I have so much to say. I'm going to touch back on mental health because it is important and it is real. And it is not culture specific. It is not country specific. I mean, the people in different, it is not. All of us deal with it. All of us. So look out for your brother and your sister. I don't mean just blood brother and sister. The people around you that care about you, that look out for each other. Be each other's support. Be each other's support because we all need that. I've gone through things in my life. I wish I had my mom around. She's no longer around. Rest in peace, mama. And sometimes my heart bleeds because she and my sister, I had one sister. I'm sorry, I didn't know I was going to do this. I had one sister. And she died in 1996, 30 years ago, in a car accident. Sudden death. She left 3 children, one of whom I'm taking care of. And that is why I'm in Jamaica. I promised my mom on her deathbed that I would take care of her because she has a learning disability. So she's 46, but she doesn't function like a 46-year-old. And sometimes it gets hard. Sometimes I get angry that at my age, 65, I've raised my kids already and I have to be here. And sometimes I'm grateful. I'm so sorry. See, I have challenges too. And if I don't do this, if I don't walk over this hill, all the things that I'm going through in my heart and my mind is going to get to me. Sometimes it does. So this is my escape. Find an escape for self-care and self-love. I'm so sorry, guys. But do you see what I'm talking about? Do you get the gist? A lot of us are walking around with hurt, pain, life's challenges, stress. And we have to have an outlet for that. And this is mine. Now this is what the hill looks like. Really look like. Let me show you. You see that? That's a long ass hill. And I knew that, but I've already talked myself into it. So here I go. Please follow this page, guys. I'm here to motivate you, even though I needed to. I'm here to inspire you, to be your support, your sounding board. Will you come on this ride with me? Movement and health. And not only physical health, but mental health. A lot of people don't talk about it, but it's a real thing. Yes. Morning, mommy. Yeah. Have a good day. Thank you. Yes. So follow this page. Please like, save, share, add to your favorites. Please. Let's be there for each other. And sharing this video is one way to do that. Thank you so much, guys. Check out the link in the bio. I need that support as well to keep going. Thank you. Have a happy Tuesday.